Today is a story from Iraq. Some time ago, I had a female student that I taught English. Her name was Sarah. She approached me one day and she said, I have a dream to be specialist in business administration, but I don't want to study in Iraq. I want to try the new experience of studying abroad. She worked really hard for more than 1 year on her English, despite the fact that she worked in oil field in the middle of desert in Basra that was part of a company that worked on logistics and providing other services for the oil field. Despite the fact that her work was really hard and challenging, and in some cases strenuous, she had that dream to be specialist in business administration and pursue her career abroad and land a job in a very well-known firm. She worked really hard with me to improve her English, to take her English from the basic level to the intermediate level to the advanced level. That kind of hard work paid off. When she took the English test and the placement test at the university that she applied in Dubai, she was directly accepted. After that, she landed a job in business administration, and she is doing a great job there right now. The moral of the lesson is, if you have a dream, if you have a vision, and you marriage that with a good plan, your plan will never fail. Sarah was an example of a very successful person who had a dream that took her from working in the middle of desert in Basra to being in a very well-known company in Dubai. Pursue your dream and never give up. Have a wonderful day.